Happy May the 4th if you're actually one of the few people that really celebrated, but whatever. Today we aren't talking about Star Wars, no, we're talking about the editing nightmare that is the brand new YouTube Shorts format. Because YouTube recently tried to cash in on the huge unexplainable popularity of TikTok by ripping it off and capitalizing on short attention spans as well, releasing a brand new Shorts format that allows for 1 minute long vertical videos. While YouTube probably expects you to use it to create a TikTok level content, you can also make some nice stuff with it. However, of course, the main challenge is editing in such weird proportions. So before I go off on a whole rant criticizing TikTok and sounding like the world's biggest boomer that's under 24, let's talk about some best practices on how to actually edit YouTube Shorts. Naturally, the first thing you have to do is make sure that your video is in a vertical orientation. So normally how we have videos that are 16:9, well now you basically have to flip it and make a video that's a 9:16. So your resolution for your 9:16 frame just depends on whatever resolution you normally use for your normal 16:9 videos. So here's a quick list of your normal resolutions versus how they end up in a vertical format. So then when you have your project going in your editing program of choice, you need to add some footage. The key issue with recording yourself for YouTube Shorts is that your background may not look the best when in such a vertical format. Like for example, my current background would look really weird in the Shorts vertical format because a lot of the stuff will be cut off. Another thing I often do in my YouTube Shorts tech news is have screenshots from websites, which can be a bit of a challenge. However, there is a really easy way to get great screenshots from websites. Because while some websites do already display in a way where all the most important stuff is right down the middle with nothing to the sides, taking screenshots for a vertical format like Shorts rather easy, but on many other websites it may not still look fully right. So the best thing to do is go into the inspect mode, and from there you can set a frame size for which the website should be viewed in. So simply set it to be the same resolution as your Shorts project. So then you can screenshot it and have it be the exact same resolution as your video. So the screenshot will be just perfect and everything will fit perfectly into the vertical frame. With existing videos, however, it can be a bit more tricky. While some videos may have something that's directly in the center with very little to the sides where the vertical format will work nicely, with many of videos it will simply not work. So in those situations, the best choice you really have is just to fit the video to the width of your vertical frame and then maybe enlarge the bit so people don't have to squint as much to actually see what's going on, and then just add a background behind it to fill out all of the empty space above and below the video. So those are just some quick tips on editing YouTube Shorts. They're really challenging to work with because of how cramped everything is, because people are still, for whatever reason, wanting to watch videos in a cramped vertical format on their phones, but whatever, I'm gonna start ranting again. So instead, if you found this video helpful, maybe check out my Patreon, because even $1 a month goes a long way in helping my channel and allows me to make way better videos, longer videos on way more interesting topics. I'd also love to thank my patrons Gavin Burns, Ryan, LKB, Naomi Sushi, Tiffany Jacobs and Meg Sumner. Thank you guys so much, your support truly goes a long way. Down in the video description below you also find our Amazon Associates links, plus our old customs link which will give you 5% off your own awesome customizable and compact keyboard. Plus down there's our social media and Discord server if you want to talk to me or others about this or whatever else really. But anyway, that's about it, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to subscribe, like, whatever, and I'll see you all in whatever I make next. Goodbye everyone, goodbye.